How to remove a background in Canva. So let's get started. First, create a new design. My design will be YouTube thumbnail. If you don't have it here, just search YouTube thumbnail. Perfect. And now we are going to upload some image. So click uploads here. And I got already my image here. But you can easily upload like this, okay? So click on your picture. And now just click on your picture and edit photo. And there is a tool, BG Remover. Click on it. And voila, your background is gone. I know BG Remover is only for pro version, so we need to subscribe to Canva. But I'm going to show you how to do it for free. Because there is an option. This is my another account. How to do it? Click on your photo, edit photo, and click BG Remover. And now they are asking you like to subscribe, but you can try it for free for 30 days. So you can try it for 30 days. You can remove some backgrounds and then you can unsubscribe. Just click monthly, click next, put your credit card here, and that's it. And now if you click on your photo, click edit photo, BG Remover. I think like the quality of it, it's pretty much perfect. I'm gonna show you how to unsubscribe, so click on this wheel, account settings, and then go billing and plans. And now we are going to change plan. Click on these three dots and just click cancel, trial, continue cancellation. I can't afford it, continue cancellation. But I guarantee you it's such a great tool, this background remover or other tools, that maybe you're gonna keep it like me. And that's it. This is how can you remove background in Canva. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. And if you want to support this channel, subscribe the channel. And see you later. Goodbye.